All right, good morning, everybody. It's early out here in California. Thought I'd wake up and do a quick cold start, warm up video for you guys. Didn't get one posted. We've only got a couple hours left now till the end of the auction. Early here, Sunday morning in California. It's been raining all night. Now let me get a temp off the motor here so I can get back inside. It's kind of cold out here, but not too bad. Figured I'd get her warmed up for you guys, let you hear her cold start. She doesn't do anything silly, never has. She's nice and cold. 69 degrees. Oh boy. Hadn't been started since day of Christmas when we did the fuel gauge repair. Fuel sending unit had a bad connection. All of that's been sorted, worked out, so that's good to go for everybody. All right, let's fire her up, let her warm up. Oh, so she wants it kicked out. I'm in my garage with it closed up, so it's gonna start smelling in here on me. All right, there you go. All right, everybody, enjoy. Here, just what, 10:30 into the auction. Let's see what happens. Thanks again, everybody.